engine performance, possible to drive. I wonder if this is one of that finger follower issue with that E engine, F engine that's been plaguing around the GT3.1s. So we'll see how this goes. It actually came up twice already. It came up twice, just driving it around 7,000 RPM. That's when it came back. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna have to bring it to the dealership. Alright, so just a quick update. I actually dropped it off to the dealership to get the code read, and it did came back with a misfire in cylinder number 3. And they went ahead and swapped the coils, and from cylinder number 3 to cylinder number 2. So it appears it followed where the misfire was going. So I took out my iCarSoft and scanned it, and sure enough, you know, cylinder number 2 misfire detected. So I did order some brand new coils and some spark plugs, and I'm gonna go ahead and install those and then see what happens. And you know, unfortunately, the dealership talked to Porsche, and you know, they went through some diagnostics with Porsche, and apparently it came down to the coils so far. So we'll see what happens. I was hoping we could get a new engine, but not at this time. Try to do the coils and spark plugs. I'm gonna replace all six coils and all 6 spark plugs, and then we'll go from there. All right, so today I'm gonna go ahead and try and replace the all the spark plugs, the coil packs, all 6 of them, and you know, with the ongoing misfire. So it did appear that the dealership did swap the coil, and you know, I think misfiring coil number 3 or cylinder number 3 was misfiring, so they kind of swapped those 2 coils together, and it followed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and just go ahead and replace all of them, start fresh, and then drive the car hard again, and then hopefully we can recreate the area code. And the good thing is that I have all the parts came in. Six coils and some spark plugs. Okay. Part number. So it's gonna take me probably about 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna go and give it a shot. All right, so I took out one of the spark plugs on one of the cylinders, and oh, look at that. Looks like there's oil. That's what it looks like. Hard to focus. Yeah, there's a little oil. There's oil. And I got a brand new spark plug. looks like they labeled cylinder number 3 or coil number 3. So they did swap it, and they tried to swap it, so and then it followed, and you can see there's some oil. All right, new spark plugs and new coils are in, brand new. So this is what the old one looks like. So it does appear that the spark plugs on the left bank has oil on it. There's some oil residue compared to the right side, and the right side looks pretty clean or dry. They're all dry. Talking about cylinders 4, 5, and 6. Cylinders 1, 2, and 3. They appear to all of them have oil on them, some residue. So, all right guys, if you like the video, click on that subscribe button and like, and thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you again next time.